this is meant to be the intro for the video that you're about to see, but I am filming it after because I just got carried away in the moment when I met up with Steve and we got chatting and I totally forgot. So I met up with Steve today down a little pump track. You guys know that I go there quite a bit, and we had a good time. I had a good couple of hours down there, and it was good bash. We've not been out for a while, and I've not seen him for 2 years. I met him once down at my playground. Didn't see him again, and then he commented me on one of my videos, and we met up. And you know what? He only lives around the corner, so we're gonna go out bashing more often, which is good. Yeah, we went out today. We met up, and he's got a Traxxas sledge. I've obviously got my kraton EXP, and we both broke the same part on the same side, which was quite ironic. But as you can see, my car is a little bit dirty. You'll see from the video I landed in the muddiest bloody puddle I could find. But it was a good session. I've not been out for a while, so it was good to get out. It was good to see how well them Scorch hinge pin blocks were going to hold up, and the RC all-wheel drive diff cases inside my Scorch bulkheads. See how well they hold up. They've done really well actually, to be fair. But you'll see she's very, very dirty, and you'll see from the puddle that she landed in why it's so dirty. But you're about to see now the video that I shot today, and I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and please do me a favour and go over to Flipside FPV and send him some love, subscribe to him, and I hope you enjoy. Yeah. Well plush as well, man. It just looks so smooth just driving around. Nice. Very slow. I'll tell you what, I'll send you a link off eBay.
Yeah.
I got a Arrma 9 in there.
Oh yeah.
Well quick. Dark down there. I've done it before, they don't do it much good either.
Tyres on this as well, the beat good.
Yeah, fucking sledgehammers. Yeah, the sledgehammers do look nice.
God damn it, I made it to it, but really bad.
That's the thing though, there's not a lot of people, you know, that do this.
It's hard, mate. Yeah, I love it.
That's why that day I see you,
have a lot of patience when you first start.
yeah, that day I see you down West Far, I was like, oh, what if I can see you down there again? I'll fucking get your number.
Yeah, you don't see anybody, do you? Really?
No, I've seen a couple of people down there with crawlers, and that was it.
Fish scale, made a big line, 30° north.
Oh yeah. Fucking not cheap there, isn't it? Wheels? Back for this fucking beaut. So what? One of my videos, I'm down here. That old girl followed me in the car park.
Who's that?
That old girl, she followed me in the car park.
Did you?
Joe, it's a lovely old lady. Yeah, she's in the. I just changed them batches over. And she followed me in the car park. And yeah, honestly, she speaks to me for about fucking half an hour. Like, just talking about everything.
I had an old boy last time come down here actually.
Old boy on a bike.
Yeah, I think he was actually.
Yeah, he fucking he was riding around here. Last time I down here.
Bloody hell, thing goes, doesn't it, mate? Where you had that from?
Yeah, he was a nice enough bloke as well. I was fucking flying it round here. I didn't realise he was stood behind me. I need fucking hit him. So, mate, I need to take your head off. Right, so though, Jordan's a new car, isn't it?
Yeah, it's brand new, isn't it? With the drive. Fresh, isn't it?
10 years ago, this one sounded like that.
Almost looks like, is that like the V1 show, like the very first crate in that style?
I think it meant to be like the EXP version.
Is it?
Fucking well shot. Do it slap down there.
Yeah. Yeah, video of that myself. I can't believe how much kick it gets. That's probably why yours does so well, because it's suspension goes still. Takes it mint, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I think I'm going to stick it on today.
Oh, puddle. Oh, you bastard. Let's fucking go on camouflage.
I definitely need to shower. Double jump. Yours is going to be fun.
Go. I can't believe I landed down that downslope as well.
Why am I that way? You'll go that way.
Oh, that was a beaut landing. Ah, fuck's sake.
Cable's come out again on mine, isn't it? Yeah.
Wheels, wheels, wheels. Nailed it.
I'll have to get my mate up here a bit as well. I've got to get him out.
No. Ah, straight through that fucking. Oh no! Bastard! Ugh. Should just say that. See, it took the grass I took up there when I went up that mountain. Or front end. Some wheels. Oh no! Wheels, wheels, yes. Come on, go up and over. Just don't hit me. I know, view. That was nice, that was. Oh, chassis slap. Nearly missed that one then. So what, I'm impressed though with how flexible them arms are. That sounds mine. Oh no, look.
Is it an half gun?
Killed it. Alright guys, so in the end, this is what I broke. I snapped my arm clean and off. So the rest of it is still on there with my Jubilee clips. See, they stayed strong. So that mod works. It's just the plastics that let me down. And also the screw that holds that in, snap that off as well. But because there's some hanging out, I can still get that out, no problem. So apart from that, that is it. That's all that I broke, was that. And I took a bad front end landing. And it was travelling at some speed as well, to be fair. But it is what it is. It is very, very dirty. Although Steve's rig didn't look this dirty, but to be fair, he didn't end up in a bloody puddle either. So all my nice new shiny scorched bits are no longer shiny, but they will be once it's clean. So that is the extent of the damages that I had, but I do have a spare arm, so I can put that on there, get it all cleaned up, get it ready for the next one. But I would like to say a big thank you to Steve for coming down, meeting me, and as soon as we're both back up and running, we'll both be back out again. But I will put a link in the description box below where you can go click on his channel and subscribe, like. He does all FPV and he's fucking awesome at it, to be fair. But again, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you please comment, subscribe, like, it helps spread the channel so more people can see it, and get ready for the next one.